Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest gadgets on the market.
Today, we're diving into the Sonnet Egfx SE1 Thunderbolt 3 expansion chassis.
And let me tell you, folks, this one's a game changer.
If you're looking to supercharge your setup with high-performance PCIe cards, then look no further.
The Sonnet Egfx SE1 is the best EGFX breakaway box out there, bar none. So, what makes it stand out?
Let's break it down. First off, this sleek chassis connects seamlessly to any Mac or Windows PC with a Thunderbolt 3 port, giving you access to a world of PCIe expansion possibilities. With a PCIe 3.0 x 8 slot, you can harness the power of full-length PCIe cards, doubling the performance of Thunderbolt 2. Whether it's video editing, audio production, or data processing, this chassis has got you covered. But here's the kicker. Despite its compact size, the Egfx SE1 can accommodate almost any Thunderbolt 3 compatible PCIe card on the market. It's small but mighty, folks. And let's not forget the little touches that make a big difference. With a 40 gigabits per second Thunderbolt 3 interface and included Thunderlock 3 connector retainer clip, you can rest easy knowing your connection is secure. So, there you have it, folks. The Sonnet Egfx SE1 Thunderbolt 3 expansion chassis, the best EGFX breakaway box money can buy. Upgrade your rig, unlock new possibilities, and take your creativity to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews.
Until next time, happy exploring!